Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary innovation with 10 incredible kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. Whether you're a breakfast lover, a coffee aficionado, or a gadget guru, we've got something special for you. From the perfect slice of toast to the ultimate coffee fix, these tools are designed to make your time in the kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. So, let's get started and discover the must-have gadgets that every kitchen enthusiast needs. Meet the Brewvy Brewer, a next-generation smart single-serve coffee maker that delivers coffee so strong, smooth, and full-bodied you won't believe it came from a pod. Designed for hotter, stronger coffee with noticeably less bitterness, it features auto-optimized brewing to ensure the perfect cup every time. With an impressive 60-second brew time, you'll never have to wait long for your morning fix. Plus, its brews-in-the-pod technology guarantees a hygienic brew with no flavor cross-contamination, so each cup tastes exactly as intended. Whether you love bold espresso, iced coffee, or a classic hot brew, this machine has everything you need to be a coffee genius. Elevate your coffee experience with the Brewvy Brewer. Style, convenience, and quality in one sleek machine. Start your mornings with the Oster 4-slice touchscreen toaster. A sleek stainless steel appliance designed for effortless toasting. Featuring easy touch technology, its responsive interface lets you choose from 6 toast shade settings and 3 preset functions. Just place your favorite bread, select your desired setting, pull the lever, and let the precision toasting cycle do the rest. The digital countdown progress bar keeps you informed, showing exactly how much time is left in the cycle. Not sure if you picked the right shade? No worries. The quick check lever lets you check your toast's progress without stopping the process. Now, the perfect toast is just a touch away with the Oster touchscreen toaster. Meet the Dreo Milk Frother, your 8-in-1 barista companion for crafting silky, cafe-quality foam at home. Whether you're making lattes, shakes, or hot chocolates, this frother delivers rich microfoam with its patented impeller blade, creating bubbles half the size of regular frothers. Designed for both dairy and non-dairy milk, it offers flexible capacities, 270 milliliters for stirring, 170 to 190 milliliters for latte art, and 120 milliliters for thick foam. The multi-stage frothing program prevents burnt milk, ensuring smooth, perfect texture every time. Its stainless steel, non-stick design makes cleaning effortless, while the LED display and intuitive controls let you whip up barista-level drinks with ease. Elevate your coffee game with the Dreo Milk Frother, because every great drink starts with the perfect foam. Start your mornings with the KRUPS 4-slice Belgian waffle maker, designed for perfectly crispy and fluffy waffles every time. With a family-sized capacity, you can bake 4 waffles at once, featuring deep pockets for your favorite toppings. Customize your waffles with 5 adjustable browning levels, ensuring the perfect golden texture for everyone. The steam release system delivers a crispy outside and soft inside, while the red and green indicator lights and audible ready beep take the guesswork out of cooking. Cleaning is effortless with removable, non-stick plates that are dishwasher safe. The sleek stainless steel design, compact storage, and powerful 1200-watt performance make it a stylish and convenient addition to any kitchen. The electric dumpling press simplifies dumpling making, saving time and effort. Its automatic design ensures perfectly wrapped dumplings, pastries, and snacks with ease. Enjoy consistent, uniform results. User-friendly and easy to operate, it's perfect for beginners and experts alike. Made from high-quality materials, it offers durability and a sleek design. Upgrade your kitchen with the electric dumpling press for effortless homemade dumplings. Become a master chef at home with the OSTBA 200-watt electric food slicer, designed for precision slicing of meat, cheese, bread, fruits, and more. Featuring an adjustable thickness setting from super thin to coarser inch, it ensures perfect slices every time. The 200-watt motor powers the 7.5-inch stainless steel blades, delivering consistent and sharp cuts. With 2 interchangeable blades, serrated for frozen and deli meats and non-serrated for bread and vegetables, you get versatile slicing options. Cleaning is effortless with removable parts, including the blade, food carriage, and pusher. For safety, the child lock system requires pressing both the safety lock and power button simultaneously. Meet the Elite Gourmet Hot Dog Toaster, your ultimate hot dog grilling solution. With 5 stainless steel heated rollers, it ensures even cooking on all sides, delivering juicy, flavorful hot dogs every time. The 30-minute oven timer lets you heat snacks to perfection, while the oil-retaining tray catches drippings for a mess-free experience. This versatile toaster isn't just for hot dogs, it's great for heating buns, breads, and other snacks too. Featuring 210 watts of power, an auto thermostat, a see-through oven door, and an easy-to-remove crumb tray, cleaning up is effortless. Its compact design makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen. Enjoy stadium-style hot dogs at home, anytime. The Presto Professional Salad Shooter, the ultimate kitchen tool for effortless slicing and shredding. The easy way to slice or shred vegetables, fruits, cheese, and more. Just point and shoot right where you want. No extra bowls to clean. A handy funnel guide and 4 interchangeable cones are included for making regular slices, thick slices, ripple cuts, and shreds. The Professional Salad Shooter is easy to use. Interchangeable cones slip right in, with no complicated parts to assemble. The extra-large food chamber holds whole potatoes, and the adjustable food guide adapts to large or small foods. Shred potatoes for hash browns, cheese for pizza and tacos, cabbage for coleslaw, bananas, apples, and more. Even grates chocolate, chops nuts, and makes bread and cracker crumbs. Easy to clean, the motor base wipes clean, and all other parts are dishwasher safe. The fast and convenient way to make delicious salads, soups, pizzas, tacos, desserts, and more. Upgrade your meal prep with the Presto Salad Shooter, the YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer, a 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser designed for ultimate convenience in your kitchen. Crafted from premium materials, it features a wide opening for easy oil refills with no drips. Made from thick, unbreakable, transparent, lead-free glass, it ensures durability and safety. A straw with a filter removes impurities, while the non-slip bottle design offers a secure grip. The precise oil control system dispenses just 0.2 grams per spray, helping you manage daily oil intake effortlessly. It provides a fine, even mist without dirtying your hands, and the backflow hole design prevents oil leakage. Enjoy the flexibility of both spraying and pouring oil for precise control in salad dressing, grilling, frying, and more. This oil sprayer is a must-have for every kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience with YARRAMATE. The Ultimatic all-in-one measuring cube revolutionizes your kitchen by replacing 10 cups and spoons in a single compact tool. Easily measure both dry and liquid ingredients with precision. Its space-saving design keeps countertops clutter-free while fitting neatly into drawers. Made from durable, dishwasher-safe silicone, it's easy to clean and microwave-safe. Say goodbye to multiple utensils and simplify your cooking and baking. A perfect gift for any kitchen enthusiast. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ultimatic Measuring Cube today. Thanks for joining us on this culinary tech journey. We hope these gadgets inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and make your cooking experience more enjoyable. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Cyberbytes Hub for more exciting tech reviews and insights. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try, or if there's a kitchen tool you think we missed. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech savvy.